Hey everyone, my name is Zelda and you are watching Zelda Sews. Welcome to my video, or welcome back if you've been here before. I appreciate you all. Coffee time always for me. And this cup says, I'd rather be sewing. Hopefully you don't see the lipstick mark on that side. And then it has my name on the cup. I picked that one up off of Amazon. Today is Friday, so that means it is Friday Sews. And this is where we share our makes, our plans, and a little bit about life. I am very excited. My make, I did a collaboration with Laura from Sewing Up Style, and we did this dress. This is ME2076. And I like it because it's a reversible dress. You can reverse it and flip it around, and you can wear it with a scoop neck. Let me show you. Actually, just go to the video. That'll be great. I'll just pause here just for a moment so you can see it. And that is it reversed. I used two different fabrics. I used a cotton fabric on the top and a polyester on the bottom. So there she may be, right on Grayson. Okay, so what I did with one pattern, and it is right. Well, what did I do? Oh, here it is. This pattern right here, Simplicity 9670, and I am making this bag here. I cut out everything for it. Now I'm just going to get it together. I have grandbaby duty this week, so I am excited about that. So this had to be put on hold, but everything's cut out. I had some trouble trying to figure out some of the instructions, which I'll share in the video about this. And I believe I figured it out. Not sure, not quite sure. Okay, so another plan that I want to make a shirt. I want to make more tops. And I picked out this beautiful fabric, and I know I said I wanted it for pillowcases, and it feels really nice. It's been washed, soft cotton, but it's only 2 yards, and I cannot make anything that looks decent with just 2 yards. I usually buy 3 yards, and if it looks like it needs a little bit more fabric, I'll do 3.5 yards for a top. For a dress, I usually buy 5 yards because I don't want to be short on either one. Well, this one right here, the pattern that I'm looking at, I will definitely be short because it requires more yardage than what I have. I picked this up at Joann Fabrics, so they should have this there. I'm going to go and peek, but I want to make Butterick 6980, and I want to make it in this one right here. That's the women's size, and it just is a Mrs. and women's shirt. This one, she's thinner, and it looks like it would be nicer for a thinner person, but she's heavier, and I like the look of it on the angle short. And to pair it with this fabric here, I think it will look very, very nice. Here are the line drawings on there for this one. Let's see. They're all 3/4 length sleeve. It has a collar. It has some little pleating, it looks like, in the shoulder area. And on the back of it, I think it's back darts. So that'll give it some nice shaping, but it goes up to size 28W. And for the finished garment measurement for 28W is 56. I usually cut out a size 24 for my patterns, and if I need a full bust adjustment, I'll do it. But for this one here, for size 24W, it says body measurements of 46, but I'm not going by that. I am going by the finished garment measurements. For the bust is 52, and that gives me enough room so that I don't have to do a full bust adjustment. I have a couple of inches to spare. The waist, it says 49, perfect, because mine is 48 to 49. And I don't do anything with the finished back length from base of neck. I don't know what you do with that, really. I mean, you measure it, but I don't measure that when I'm looking at any of my patterns. I have not. If you have, and you tell me, why is it something I should be paying attention to that I don't know? That would be great to know. I don't know. Okay. So that is it for the makes and the plans. A little bit about life. I'm going to be a grandmother again, and I am excited about that. I am hoping for a boy, but any baby healthy is fine with me. My son wants a boy. I want a boy. Daddy wants a boy. Mommy wants a boy. But right now there's 2 girls. And so we are hoping for a boy, praying for a boy. And you're not getting away without a scripture. No, no, no. And for me, I did not look up one. So, oh, you know what I want to tell you? Finally, I'm going to turn. I finally got a Joanne flyer. Finally. I have been waiting for this, let me see, for a very long time. It has in here the pattern sale, which is going on right now for Butterick is $2.99 and Vogue patterns are $5.99. And this goes from July 25th through the 31st. So I think I'm going to be able to go back up and pick up maybe that fabric that I was short on. And if I can't find enough of it, well, they have some nice cotton on sale. It says $2 cotton. I don't know if I will get that, but they have different fabrics on sale. Keepsake calico actually is still on sale, $4.99 to $5.99 a yard. So I will look for that because that is what this is, I believe. It is a keepsake calico. Yep, keepsake calico. So I can pick up a yard and a quarter of that just to make sure I have enough. So I had not planned on going to buy anything else because my room is filled to the brim. Really, it really is. I have my table back here. Over there, I have my printer and my serger. To the left of the printer is my sewing machine. I have that set up. And it's a little tiny space. I roll my chair over there and I sit and sew, and it's great. But I wanted a printer actually on my desk so that I can print some patterns out. Today is Love Notions. They always have a $5 sale on a pattern, so I have to look to see what it is and possibly get that. And their patterns they're awesome. I really like them. They look good on me. They feel good on me. So I like that. But yes, I'm very excited about my flyer. It took, oh my goodness, a long time. I mean, I applied for this 6 months ago, and then, not Carol. Hi, Carol. I hope you're doing well. I've been praying for you. So lovely with Grace. Grace had put a link to get a paper flyer, and I did that, and I think that is what helped me to get it. So I thank you, Grace, for that. I really appreciate that. Okay, scripture. I'm going to read this one. Shall be here. Let me see. Okay, Psalm 72, verse 1. Give the king thy judgments, O God, and thy righteousness unto the king's son. What does that mean? I don't know. Let's read Psalm 71, verse 23. My lips shall greatly rejoice when I sing unto thee, and my soul, which thou hast redeemed. I understand that. My soul has been redeemed. So I'm excited about that. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have gotten to this part of the video, thank you. If you're not subscribed, I would appreciate you clicking that little button there and hit the subscribe and check the all on the bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And please don't forget to click on the like button. The like button helps me get my video shared out there to more people, and I appreciate that. So God bless you. I will see you in the comments, and you'll see me on my next upload. Bye for now. I forgot to tell you I made pillowcases. I did do a video on it and showed how I did it, but I made 3 sets of pillowcases and I absolutely love them. The most colorful one, I'll put the pictures, a couple of pictures up here. The most colorful one I love. It's a little scratchy though, so I washed it again and put it in the hot dryer, and it softened it up a little bit. But they're so pretty. The other two, they're very soft. Don't have to worry about 100% cotton. But that tie-dye look one was very, just a little scratchy before I washed it, and I did not wash it before I made it. I just wanted nice looking pillowcases, and then I washed them, and they're fine. They're fine. They worked. They look good. So I forgot to tell you about that. So I had to tell you about that. That was it. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.